This song has a pretty long intro. Just be patient.
Got faux fur on my bed. Got a 50-inch on the wall. Got a studio down the hall. Got a love sofa in the corner case. Wanna fuck around and get wet. Got window seats for the shit. Got a living room with the views. And I drop cable, turn the corner cut and got some fighters speed in this bitch. Like 26 with no kids. Like 26 with no bitch. My mom, stepdad, and Marcus Ryan all got keys to my crib. And I haven't worn a shirt in like days. Jared Smith swish. I don't fuck with no chains. I don't fuck with no jeans. I don't fuck with no games. I don't fuck with no streams. I don't follow no trends. And I don't understand the hype behind Fortnite for 2 weeks into this. I don't care about y'all. I don't care about y'all. Let's fuck your mom. And it's fuck your dad. And it's fuck your kids. And it's fuck your job. And it's fuck your bitch. And it's fuck your guy. I just wanna make it clear to all of y'all that your feelings can suck my dick. I've been in chill mode. Chill mode. I ain't been talking to no one, I've been in my chill mode. All of my peers have been talking about things that they're real though, but none of them even got lives, and that's on the real though. Shut off your phone, shut off your phone. Get off the couch, get out the house. You ain't got shit to say, you ain't got shit to say, you ain't got shit to say. Why you always gotta say? A lot of debt for a dropout, a whole lot. A bad rap with the cops, cause I don't follow laws. Dropped a song a week last year, a few months and then I quit. I was waking up at 5 for some dude to watch me piss, cause I got caught up with drugs. I ain't bragging, that shit sucks. I'm just saying I still drive, even with my full-time job. So when I log into Twitter, and everybody want a bitch, I can't help but think like dog. Y'all can hashtag suck my dick, and I ain't been one for the faces. Just try things on occasion. Little bit of drink with the weed, little Molly never Zans, take a bumps over credit cards. With every single girl who met a dog, they work them nights, Diablo. Finding ways to make it, really good at making blanket statements, really bad at picking up the calls, really good at never calling back, really good at knocking on the door, always end up walking through it last. Told myself this shit is gonna pass, and no one here deserve a fucking pass. Talking to yourselves became a trend, and I still always end up getting tagged. I don't give a fuck about this rap, every song I listen to is trash. Tired of all these work tweets about features I don't give a fuck about. I've been on the motherfucking cusp.
Aí.
Are you deaf? Can you hear me? 'Cause I'm sick of it all. Always digging in my skin. Always pushing my back to the wall. My eyes to the madness. Can't believe what I saw. And I'll be here laughing when you fall. And there's nothing to say, 'cause I'm already gone. You know I'm not like you. You were never wrong. Go ahead, walk away, but I want you to know
¿sabes? ¡Guau, qué bonito! ¡Cuidado, cuidado! Llego ahí yo y me caigo, ¿eh? No vale, ¿no? Ya, te hubieras caído, cabrón.